Hello and welcome to my channel. This is all new Ioniq 6 and you're watching 5 minutes review. Let's go around. This is the Ioniq 6, is a battery electric mid-size fastback sedan and was launched on 12 July 2022. Ioniq 6 has quite a bold design, especially because it resembles a Porsche Panamera. In my opinion, this is a well-thought-out step by Hyundai to create free marketing for itself. The beautifully drawn roof line sloping down to the rear bumper creates a wonderful outline of the side line of this car. Two spoilers were mounted on the sloping rear part of the car. This model is equipped with the camera's instant of mirrors, and what it works like I will show you in a minute. The door handles are also completely different and extend when the car is opened. Okay, let me start as usual from the boot. Amount of liters you can see right now on the screen, and I will show you dimension and what you can find inside the boot. So first of all, you got nice long, I will say, huge flat floor. You've got LED light here. With some speakers here and some tools, tire mobility kit. I hate that, but this is only my point of view. If you are not agree, please let me know in the comment below and just take a look. Below that, we've got something like double floor, which is not very solid, I will say, and you've got another wee storage. By the way, there is no space for spare wheel here, unfortunately. I prefer the spare wheel anyway. And how many space you can find? The boot is long, almost up to 42.5 inches, that's mean 108 centimeters. It's wide on the wider side, up to 122 centimeters, that's mean 4 feet, or it's up to 41 inches, that's mean 104.5 centimeters. And it's high up to here, you can see 47 centimeters, that means almost 19 inches, Okay, let's take a look under the bonnet. Okay, so what you can find here, there we go, we got lots of space. That's the compartment, 12-volt battery and your fuse box. Quite nice, lots of space. Yeah, that's all. The camera looks amazing and very, very expensive for me anyway. Let's open the door. Huge door. Upper part, it's made of hard plastic. That's surprise. You have very long armrest, and unfortunately you don't have here the window adjustment. It's there. Look at that on the middle tunnel. Okay, so soft armrest. Huge pocket in the door. The seats has electric adjustment. Very big, I will say huge side support. Quite wide on the shoulder level, and of course very, very good and very comfortable headrest like in the Hyundai and Kia. The middle tunnel is split for the two level. On the lower level you can find 12-volt socket and huge compartment, and the upper part is completely different story. I will tell you about it when I will be inside the car. Alright guys, I'm inside the car. Let me check the visibility as usual. So first of all, the driver's seat now is in the lower position and the camera is now on my eye level, and I'm 193 centimeters tall. The A-pillar, to be honest with you, the upper part seems to be very close to my face, but it's okay, I will say. They are not very wide. They're wide on the bottom where you can find that screen from your mirror, actually from the camera. I will be back to that in the next couple of minutes. Anyway, just look around. Of course, as usual, I've got the just problem with the with this mirror because it's a little bit too low for me. But anyway, I've got lots of space here, so the visibility actually is quite okay, I will say. At the back, you don't see much. That's your cameras. Full HD, or even I would say even better than Full HD. There you go, you can see everything around the car. That's the view, other option of the view. It's like, yeah, perfect. I would say it's beautiful, trust me, it's beautiful. And of course the line works together with the steering wheel. Yes, I love it. I'm very, very happy about it. But what is interesting, look at that. That's your camera, which is quite strange, I will say, quite strange, especially when you're driving like that. The view is a little bit limited. for me anyway. So you need to drive properly, just like that. But your hand actually covered a little bit of the screen. It's better from this side, but you need some experience of driving this kind of car with the camera. So I think after a few miles you will feel okay with that. But at the moment, if I will just go on the road, I will try to find the mirror on the side, but there is no mirror. And how it's work, look at that, you can adjust it, for example, up and down, or whatever you can do with that. But of course, camera is always in the same position. So just take a look once again on the range. On the eco mode, you got 133 miles of range with the aircon on, and with the off 10 miles extra. And this happened in every single mode. There is your head-up display. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera, but hopefully yes. So you got sport mode, eco mode, normal mode. That we know exactly from Ioniq 5. It's nothing changed, I will say. The upper part here is made of hard plastic. You have huge cluster of the screen. Actually, there are two separate screens. They're quite big. That's what we know exactly from Hyundai, from Ioniq 5. I really like the design here, which seems like one huge part. You've got your air vents, you've got your air condition panel with the physical buttons. Also, you've got full multifunctional steering wheel, and your gear stick is here. We knew that already from the other Hyundai models. Induction charger, USB port, normal USB, no C, two cup holders, auto hold, your locks and other adjustment. You got nice soft armrest. You can just open it, but it's quite long, and you will find another storage with, there you go, two USB port C. Okay, so that's your storage compartment on the front of the passenger, which works like a shelf. Look at that. It's quite deep, I will say. Look at that. Yeah, you can manage fit lots of stuff there. The middle tunnel, like I said before, is very high and is made of hard plastic, but this part that touch my leg, actually my muscle, so it's no problem at all. Doesn't touch my bones. It's fine, absolutely fine. On the upper part, you've got your sun visor with the LED light, so that's what I like. There's nothing like extra storage for your glasses. Here the same story. Bank. Okay. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is quite soft, I will say. Very pleasant in touch. Anyway, very pleasant in touch. About the space, look at that. Plenty of space for my leg. Over my head is, I will say, 3 fingers. 3 fingers is quite enough. So I cannot say anything about the handle like with the other car, because they're completely different. But anyway, let's go to the back. The upper part is also made of hard plastic. Here's the soft, but also you've got the seat heating here, and you can just adjust your back windows. That's your very small pocket with a space for the water. Okay, so let me take a look at the seat itself, which looks quite good. Also here, so yeah, it's fine. Let me take a seat inside the car. So oh my goodness, yeah, just take a look. Lots of space. I'm 193 centimeters tall, and I've got plenty of space, but unfortunately I don't have many room for my feet. Not many room for my feet, just because the driver's seat is now in the lower position. If it will be a little bit higher, it will be no problem at all. About my head, if I sit properly, I don't have actually space for even one finger. So yeah, okay, just because of the line of the roof. And what else? You got, my goodness, yes, you've got the armrest with the 2 cup holders, which is very soft. Okay, and definitely you've got lots of room for 2 adults and 1 child. And of course the floor is flat. You've got 2 extra USB port C, air vents, and LED light, which is blue. No, it's not blue, it's just blue foil, but it's white. Perfect, it's perfect. I will say the car is beautiful from outside and beautiful inside. Alright guys, and that's all about all new Ioniq 6. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about my review, what you think about this car, and let me know if you want to drive this car, or if you are already owner of the electric car, and which one. To be honest with you, at the moment this car is my number one from all electric cars on the market. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.